Arrive in style with this Honda 2019 Passport Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include all-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, brake-actuated limited-slip differential, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance and tires, rear performance. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.